Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing great. I wanted to pull out this tray mold for the first time in frackin' ages. Although now I'm seeing there's some staining on it, and I'm hoping that I can get that off because I want to put a temporary tattoo on it. Yeah. I'm trying not to do all of my Halloween stuff in September, you know. So, I don't know. We'll see if we can do this. That's not coming off, which hopefully is a good sign and means it's not going to come off onto the tattoo as well. Okay, so let's go through this bag and see which tattoo we want. I want to do like a blue theme, because I've got the Dryer Days Art Studio blue silver glass shards. They're very, very pretty. Let's see. That blue rose is pretty, but I don't think it's big enough for what I want to do. That's a possibility. I'll put that to the side. That's really pretty. That's a possibility. That could work. Because if I cut it apart and kind of spread it out. Let's see. I've also got this one. That it doesn't exactly match. But it's really, really pretty. Does it have to exactly match? Butterfly is pretty. Let's do the butterfly. Okay. So, first thing we got to do, obviously, is clean off the desk, but also trim this down to fit it in. And then I'm going to add these into the sides. I want them in the sides of the mold. And I'm going to do that pretty easily by peeling it back and just placing them in there. And then I'm going to lay this in there with the water and get it all set, and then we will pour resin on top. I'm thinking that, what color do I want to do? I kind of want to do white. Although with these in there, the white's going to cover it up, isn't it? So maybe I'll do mostly clear and then just try and make this part white, and then, you know, the resin will obviously creep down into the wells of the sides, but hopefully it won't look too bad. Yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so let's go ahead and get that started. Let's go. Cue the music. It's bonus unmolding time. Yeah. Bonus unmoldings. I've used some of the white in the frames. Very pretty. They're still a little soft. Oh my god, the voice crack. It's like I'm 16 again. The white's kind of getting blown out on camera. Oh, this one's so pretty. There we go. And then the big one. Very pretty. And then I've got the other set of moons for the order. I do still need some cleanup, but silver holographic. Very nice, very nice. And the big one. All right. So these are your bonus unmoldings. Very nice. All right, friends. Shall we see how this came out? I am pensive? Sure. Let's go with pensive. Here's the thing. I'm very well aware that there are probably a bunch of holes in the rim of this. Well, let's see, shall we? Ew, it's crispy. Uh-huh. Yeah, so a lot of resin did not make its way down into the stones, or glass, yes. All right. Oh, it's crunchy. Oh, that does not sound good. Oh. Y'all aren't seeing this. Guard your eyes. Okay. Yeah. That was dumb. I did it dumb. Okay. Yeah. I did it dumb. I didn't mix this into the resin before putting it in there. So yeah, we've got some gigantic holes that look like a monster came up and ate it. However, that being said, this is really pretty. It's very sticky, obviously, because, you know, it's a tattoo. I just can't get over all this. Ah, Lord of mercy. What is wrong with me? Anyway, yeah. It's beautiful. Obviously, there will need to be a clear coat on this because it's a little sticky, which is weird. I don't think I've ever had that happen before. So, my cure is, you see what I did there? My cure is to top coat it because, you know, time is money, and today is literally Thursday. Top it with UV resin just here to make it not so sticky, but also yeah, it's a fail. It's a dud. I don't know how to fix that. I don't know. And also, like on this side, let me see if I can show you. It's chewed up. Yeah. You know what? I'm not going to waste what precious UV resin I have on finishing this off. Because, yeah. Anyway, that's today's fail. I mean video. That's today's video. If you enjoyed it, yeah, please let me know by hitting the thumbs down button, because clearly this is a fail and I should get all of the thumbs down for this. Yeah, if you're new here, click the subscribe button. It's red. And I promise we're not this broken. Usually, I'm not even gonna do the glamour shots for this one. You guys see it. I will say the white turned out really cool. I really like the look of that. I'm going to try this again. I promise. I will try this again correctly. So yes. Anyway, that's today's video. I hope that you guys have a fantastic day. Take care.